Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you that how to install Visual Studio 2026 in our low-end PCs. Okay, with the low-end uh, hardware configuration in our system. Okay, and in the last video I told you about that if you want to use Visual Studio 2026 in the that you must have very high level of a PC configuration like what was that? It like you should have Windows 11 with 64 GBs of RAM, and uh, along with that you must have 16 cores of CPU. Okay, so I have like I told you that at the time. Okay, but like we are developers, okay, and we want to use the .NET 10 exclusive features. Okay, and I will talk about the rest of developers like who have not such kind of systems. Okay, so I'll tell you like it's still possible to use Visual Studio 2026 in our low-end PCs, low-end hardware segment. Okay, first let me show you like what's my PC configuration. Okay, yes, I have 8 GBs of RAM. Okay, and with the Windows 11 operating system. Okay, now what I will do, I will just download the community version of Visual Studio 2026. Okay, and here is the setup, and it's very easy to use in our PC. Okay, now at this moment, what like it is taking much time. I don't know, but it's only 4 MB. I think there is low internet in my Wi-Fi connection. Okay, let it be. Now I will tell you that I have used this code editor 2026 version in my PC. Okay, and this is fabulous. Oh, and if I give you the review about like how's the 2026 version looks like, it's very fabulous. Okay, and you will see the smooth transition effects while working in this code editor. Like you will feel definitely very soft experience with this code editor. Okay, so for this purpose I bring this video to you guys. Okay, and you will definitely enjoy while working in this Visual Studio 2026 with .NET 10. And in the upcoming videos I will make so many videos regarding .NET 10, all features. Okay, then I will create the comparison between .NET 10 and .NET 9, and then 10 versus 8, 10 versus 7, 10 versus 6. Okay, so that we will get to know like how is the .NET 10 is much better than the previous versions. Okay, and I have checked the all things about the .NET 10, and it really impressed me, and with its performance, like it's like a booster of our .NET applications. Okay, so definitely, guys, you should have to use this .NET and exclusive features. Okay, and you should have to create like ASP.NET Core applications, Blazor application, MAUI. Okay, and anything that you want to build in the .NET 10, and for sure you will definitely love it. Microsoft is like make this product very good. Okay, and definitely I must say that guys, you must like if you are .NET developer, then you should have to work on it. Okay, definitely you will definitely enjoy. And if you are a beginner, and if you are a college pass out, if you are a school student, and if you are trying to learn .NET, uh, .NET Framework, .NET Core, so definitely you should start with the .NET 10, and you will definitely love it. Okay, and, okay, I have installed this in my PC. Now what I'm trying to do, install. Yeah, it's just like a basic installation of every Visual Studio. Okay, and there is some basic pop-ups, and you have just to continue with its. I'll come back after some while. Okay, so after completion of this process. Okay, so please wait for a few seconds. I'm coming back.
2,000 years later.
Hi, back again. So, like after a few minutes, and my Visual Studio is successfully installed now. Okay, I want to create a fresh Visual Studio 2026, and I don't want to import anything from previous versions. Okay, so I will just click new install. Okay, and after the clicking on the next, now it will ask me some uh, thing like that, like what kind of workload I will be working on. So right now I will choose .NET desktop application, and the main purpose is like I will, and like in the upcoming videos I will show you about .NET 10 new features. So I will just create the console applications to show you its features. Okay, and I want to go about the much things. And guys, I just want to tell you that okay, yeah, you will see that there is a separate segment of 2022, and there is also the separate segment of 2026. Okay, and I just want to tell you that before doing this, please make sure like you .NET 10 and SDK download. Okay, go to this page, and you click on the first link of Microsoft website, and if and install and download the SDK versions as per your operating systems, and that suits your operating systems. Okay, so right now I'm using Windows 11, so I just downloaded with x64 bit. Okay, and right now now it will start installation, and with some packages, some extensions like this. And guys, trust me, you will definitely shocked after the installation of 2026 version of Visual Studio. Okay, and yes, it requires very high configurations. Okay, but still you can use this IDE in the low end PC. Okay, and right now I'm using my old laptop. Okay, and the thing is that like my purpose is to show you that still you can download this Visual Studio 2026 in your low end PC with the low end hardware configuration. But guys, you make sure that you must have Windows 11 operating system. Okay, otherwise maybe like it won't work with Windows 10 or previous versions of it. Okay, so guys, definitely you must have uh, Windows 11. Okay, and if I tell you about the hardware configuration, like uh, at least you your PC must have like 8 GBs of RAM. Okay, and minimum CPU is like i5, Intel i5. Okay, so it will run 2026 versions of Visual Studio in your PC, and I think it will work smoothly as well. Okay, and I have tested this thing in my other PC with the same configuration, and it's still working very fine, very good. Okay, so you won't face any problem while installation of 2026. Okay, so still the few MBs are still left now. Guys, I just want to remind you that please subscribe my YouTube channel, share this video to your friends, your colleagues, and network as well. And I just want that like hit the like button as well. Okay, and share this video to your friends, those colleagues as well, that who are facing the same issue regarding installation of 2026 versions of Visual Studio and in their low-end PCs and with low hardware configuration. Okay, in this video I have told you that step-by-step process of installation guide regarding Visual Studio 2026 and regarding the .NET 10 SDK as well. Okay, and if you still face any technical issue and any hardware issue problem, then just let me know in the comment section of this video. Okay, now the thing is that still the packages installation is still going on, and what I'm seeing here, around 200 packages are already installed out of 378, and now it is getting faster of installation of all these packages.
2,000 years later.
I just hope guys like still you are watching this video and you are in the installation process of Visual Studio 2026. Okay, so after the successful installation, just hit the like button, okay, and share this video to your friends, your colleagues as well, okay, and just do let me know in the comment section of this video that yes, I have successfully installed the Visual Studio 2026, okay, with your PC configuration as well, so that I will get to know that like the least requirement of this Visual Studio 2026 is still working on that particular requirement, okay. And I hope and I thought that the like most of the viewers who are watching this video having with the 8 GBs of RAM and i5 uh, processor as well, okay, in their systems. And now what is saying, okay, now I think I should launch this, and I have installed and like this thing is successfully installed in my PC, okay. And after the launching of after clicking on the launch button, let's see what will happen, okay. uh, Looks like it, okay. Now the it is asking me to some configurations, and I will choose dark mode, and just I will choose the uh, general development settings, okay. And after clicking on the start Visual Studio, okay, then you will see like it will take a few seconds for internal configuration, internal things or internal processes, okay. Just have patience, okay. It's user interface of Visual Studio, okay. And I'll just click continue without the code, okay. And here I will just click continue without the code. Okay, so like you must have like you should see the user experience difference and user interface differences between 2022 and 2026. So right now, I think it is showing me, yeah, it is showing me like it's are the basic and old and old UI of 2022. Okay. Now I am waiting to get and I'm waiting to see new UI of 2026. Yeah, that's the first interface looks like after the installation of 2026 in my PC. Okay, so if you did this, click, just hit the like button, and just do let me know like okay and done. Okay, so that I will get to know that you have successfully installed in this exclusive SDE like IDE in your PC. Okay, and it comes with the GitHub logo pilot inbuilt as well. Okay, and it is showing insiders. Okay, like it's the insider versions of Visual Studio 2026. Okay, and here is the basic update. Just scroll down and you will see the basic like you will see the uh, changes in the 2026. Like just go to what's new, then inside this here enhanced core editor control file exclusive search. I don't know, like I don't have much time to export this thing in front of you. Okay, now it like in this column you will see that we are excited to bring you full fledged features of .NET 10 with the C Sharp 14. Okay, in the latest version of Visual Studio. So this means that you can immediately start taking advantages of all these newest language features as well. Okay, so it is clearly mentioning that if you want to use the .NET 10 features, then definitely you should have 2026. Okay, so just install this. Okay, and if you are still watching this video and you haven't installed this exclusive IDE in your PC, just to click just go to the Microsoft website and download this SDE with the SDK of a .NET 10. Yeah, yeah, yes, guys, you must have to make sure this thing very well. Okay, so till then, take care, guys. Bye bye. And I just hope you enjoyed this video. You love it very much. Okay, so bye, guys.